Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are talking about English speaking. Why English is important? I believe English you should learn even as a second language because English has become a global language. And English can open an opportunity for you, like you can get a job in corporate sector, or if you want to go for overseas studies, so English can help you to qualify exams like IELTS and TOEFL. But you have to be strong fundamentally. It, what is the fundamental of English is vocabulary. So let's start today's video with some new and advanced English words. First word for the day is perfunctory. Perfunctory. Unenthusiastic. Larry made a couple of perfunctory attempts at answering the questions. Peripatetic, wandering. Groupies are a peripatetic bunch traveling from concert to concert to follow their favorite rock stars. Periphery, outside edge of something. Joe's never got involved in any of our activities. Perjury, lying under oath. The defendant was acquitted of bribery but convicted of perjury. Permeate, spread or seep through. A stinky smell quickly permeated the room after Jock lit a cigarette. Pernicious, extremely evil. The drug dealers conducted their pernicious business. Perquisite, privilege that goes along with the job. Free access to a photocopier is a perquisite of most office jobs. Pertinent, relevant. The suspect said that he was just borrowing the jewelry for a costume ball. Perturb, to disturb greatly. Rudolph's mother was perturbed by his aberrant behavior at the dinner table. Perfuse, to read carefully. This word is misused more often than it is used correctly. Pervade, spread throughout. A terrible smell pervaded the apartment building after the sewer main exploded. So, friends, we have done today's session of vocabulary. Now, you need to write down these words with meaning and try to make a sentence even while speaking in your daily conversation. After that, you can jump into the English reading practice. You can read newspaper for your reading practice. Next is listening exercise. Listening exercise is very important because when you will look someone while speaking, so you will also develop your speaking skills. And finally, speak up. Speak with your friends, neighbor, those who can understand English, but you have to start conversation in English, which can really help you to build your confidence and fluency. So we have talked about vocabulary, we have talked about reading, writing and listening. If you will do these things every day, definitely my friends, you will going to grow in your English journey. So I hope you like the video of today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.